Mogorigami is a practical origami demonstrating movie-on-the-go optical technology. This $10 do-it-yourself kit stimulates development of spatial thinking and fine motoric skills. Following assembly completion, enjoy and experiment with two useful products. First is the binocular magnifier 6 times enlarging objects illuminated by LED light, and second is the screen enlarger converting smartphone into cinematic display, providing immersive experience while watching movies. Expect to get perception of 18-inch display from 10-inch distance. And note, it's not 3D virtual reality, but 2D full screen magnifier, resulting 4 times better image quality. In addition, it is practical for outdoors smartphone photography, 360 degrees videos and panoramas, augmented reality applications, and doing drones videography. The core technology is in a prismatic aspherical lenses called Mogo Oculars, with special know-how kept in secret and manufactured in Israel. Mogo Oculars are unique on the market to provide 6 times binocular magnification due to combination of the optic and prismatic power. Therefore provide natural, healthy and relaxed eyesight during observation of enlarged objects. That makes Mogorigami binocular magnifier excellent assistant for precise works, household occasions and many additional use cases. Everything is included in the kit, and by following detailed video instructions, assembly takes about an hour. There are multiple kits purchase options for assembly in groups. The usage of the magnifier and the screen enlarger is immediate and no special apps is required. If you're satisfied with the concept of cardboard assemblies, the same functionality but better convenience are with Mogo Glass and Mogo Travel products. We have positive records from our previous Indiegogo campaign of supplying perks at time to 800 bakers. And the shipment for Mogorigami early bakers will be instant by the end of the campaign, since we are in production stage. So if you'd like to educate the kids or just do it yourself fan, either optics enthusiast or just like to explore the movie-on-the-go technology, this $10 kit is the opportunity to get now your Mogorigami. Thank you for attention.